Is WIX.com legit? Yes, WIX.com is a legitimate and reputable platform. Since its launch in 2006, WIX has grown into one of the most widely used website builders, serving millions of users worldwide. It's a publicly traded company, NASDAQ WIX, which adds to its credibility, and it complies with global standards like GDPR to ensure user privacy and data protection. WIX provides a secure environment for building and hosting websites, complete with SSL encryption to protect sensitive information. It also offers reliable customer support, an extensive knowledge base, and a vibrant user community. Additionally, businesses, bloggers, and individuals have successfully used WIX to create professional websites, e-commerce stores, and portfolios. That said, as with any platform, it's important to use WIX responsibly. Avoid falling for third-party scams or unofficial apps, and always download tools and templates from WIX's official marketplace. If this video helped confirm WIX's legitimacy, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.